trying to clean the car.
This thing is filthy.
Well, she doesn't know how.
Here, scrub that off, Matt. And go throw this away. Nah, don't tape. Don't tape. Matt, pick up your coat right now.
Here she goes.
Look at our beautiful tree. Oh, look at the presents. Matthew, are any of those presents yours?
Yes.
Show me which one's yours.
This one.
How do you know? You can't open them yet. You have to wait for Santa Claus.
I want a bite.
You want a bite? You want a bite of what?
What are you doing?
Have him put that Santa Claus on there.
It's broke.
What?
Okay, put him up there.
Okay, put him up.
I can't do it.
Yeah, go ahead, put it up.
Go ahead.
No, put it up.
No, I can't. I want to do something like that. I want to do that.
Hang on.
Santa Claus fell.
Groovy.
That's so high. That's so high. That's so high, Mama. That.
Okay. Okay, tell Daddy you can't find us.
You can't find us. Let's do this too.
Right here. Okay, now put it on pause and now.
We're attempting to go find the two boneheads, the biggest boneheads in the world, but we can do it.
Wonder where they are. Gee, not like Matthew gives himself away or anything. Here I come. I found one. I found one. I found the other one.
Run! Run!
I get you.
Go! Go!
Wah. Wah.
Looks like Matthew.
No.
Oh, no.
No.
No, hurry, run, go.
No.
Go, get out of here. Go. Run.
He's stuck. Don't put your shoes on there.
Either.
Where is he?
Let's see. There's a fun.
Got you back, man.
No.
Paybacks are pain in the butt.
Oh, you're very
Is
funny.
that funny? Is that funny?
God, that thing is bright. It gives you a headache.
Is that funny?
Like, for serious. Gee, I wonder where Matthew could be.
I saw you.
I don't
saw
know.
Wanna go watch it?
Oh, there he is.
Wanna go
Sure.
watch? Yeah, you save me.
you. This one, yeah.
Hurry.
Gee, bet you can't find us.
In a light.
Sit down.
Put that.